For the right vehicle, check out the 2018 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.